What's up, YouTube, Facebook? This Mike here, Trushine cleaning. Here at a new customer house, getting ready to. I'm gonna do two different services here at this house today. Want to take you guys around. Um, it is. Today is. I never know what the date is, but today is Wednesday, June 15th. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit. I want to be doing carpet cleaning in this house, plus pressure washing the exterior of it. What needs to be pressure washed anyway. So and then I'm going to be doing some gutter cleaning, the outside facings of the gutter, plus cleaning the inside of the gutters as well. So not going to be doing anything in this area. More so just rinsing the gutters down, cleaning the gutters out. Doing maybe some little sidings up here. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Let's see how these gutters is. I think these need to be cleaned out as well, but the facings of it is not bad. So, but other than that, it's really about how much I'm going to be doing on the outside of the home. Boss right here trying to get me. See that boss? That's not scared of him, but definitely don't want to get stung by it either. So that's pretty much it, you guys. He already cleaned out these gutters, but I still have to like clean like the facings of the gutters and stuff. So all right, you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys the inside of the house. So the carpet that I'm going to be doing. As you can see, this is the, so I'll take you guys on in. No one's here. Actually, it's actually a vacant home. The customers gave me the key for the code to the garage to get in. So show you guys. Hallways is pretty dark. Got lights in bedrooms. So I'm gonna be doing this room of carpet. Okay. So I'm gonna see how well these stains and everything come up. Here goes another room. This is probably like the worst room out of all of them. So I told him it is a high traffic area. I'm not going to be sure how the traffic area is going to come up, but he said it's a lot of food and juice spills, so those should come up pretty good. And you know, he hasn't had I think he said he had the house since about 2018 or something like that, and never had the carpets cleaned. So this carpet is not bad. So, and I got a basement area with 2 rooms. I'll show you guys. So it's a pretty decent job. I expect to be here probably about 3 hours. Like I say, it's 8 o'clock now, so I'm expecting to be here to about close to about 11, 10:30 maybe. Not sure where the light is. I got this basement area. This basement area is not bad at all. It does have a few little spots here and there, but this basement is pretty decent. So I may actually start down here first, then work my way to those bedrooms. And I'm doing these steps as well. So, like I say, it's a pretty decent job. It was a referral from another cleaner, so that's a good thing. But other than that, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit around. I'm gonna start outside first. It is getting pretty hot out there, so I'm gonna start outside, especially since it's the morning time. It's not as bad, but it's still pretty humid out. So I'm gonna start out and I'm gonna start outside, pressure wash what needs to be done, and then work my way into the house. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, so as you can see, I'm gonna be blowing all this debris down as well. The gutters is pretty bad on this side of the house, but the front side has already been cleaned. As you can see, I'm gonna blow all that down as well. So I'm gonna get ready to pressure wash. I wanna see if I can blow this out with the pressure washer or I'm gonna have to get down and scoop it out with my hands. But either way, it's gonna be a quick, simple job. As you can see, I got a lot of shaded areas, so that's a good thing. So it's not too bad out here right now, but that's why I'm starting outside first. All right, you guys, so I got all these gutters cleaned out all around. Took me probably about 45 minutes. I had to turn my pressure up on my pressure washer, and I was able to just blow them all out. Very simple job. I got the roof all sprayed off with all the debris that was up here. I got that side all cleaned up. Now I'm about to get ready to clean the gutters, the gutter facings. I did the back side already. Now I gotta do that side, this front, and then the other side. So, show you guys how that comes out. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, so just finished up the basement area. As you can see, came out great. There was one little red stain right there I wasn't able to get out, but overall, carpets came out great. The basement area wasn't bad, so I did not need to agitate the basement. I did agitate the steps, and I'm going to agitate the rooms upstairs, but the basement area did not need it. So I'm going to show you guys how those rooms come up upstairs. I'm already done with the outside pressure washer, so now I'm about to head on up to the other rooms. All right, you guys, so I made it up to the rooms. I've done one room so far. I've done that room across. I'm gonna do that room last, because that's actually the worst room out of the three. Right now I'm doing some light agitating with the Oryx to break up some of these tough stains that may not come out once I'm rinsing with the wine. So we did do some painting, so I believe a lot of the spots of paint may come out. Not sure exactly how long ago they painted, but like I say, I think the house, I think it's been painted at least within like the last 2 or 3 weeks, so it may come out with the cleaning. It may not. I have additional products I may spray on it to help get them stains out. I need to get me a newer brush for my Oryx. They don't really last that long. I think I had that one for about 6 months now, so you know, you use them a lot. Those bristles seem to get soft over time, so kind of got to go over it a little slow to kind of break up some of those things. This carpet is actually cleaning up pretty good, so we're gonna see. So I'm done with the outside area. I did all the pressure washing, cleaned the gutters and everything, so I actually have 2 appointments today. Kind of running behind, actually. I was supposed to have been at the other house by like 12. It's actually 12:30 now, so I got these 2 rooms left, so we're gonna see how long it's gonna take. I've already talked to the client already. She's very understanding, so that's a good thing when you have a client that understands. They're very understanding when situations happen. So I'm gonna do this room last, and we're gonna see how good this room comes out. I got my PSI turned all the way up, and my heat turned all the way up, and it's cutting right through all this dirt. So I'm gonna try to maybe do this little area again with the I'm actually going to do it now. just to see if I can lighten it up. But the rest of the carpet came out great. There's just a little stain here that I wanted to see will it come out. It looks like it will. So I want to go over this again with the wine. Right now I'm just doing some agitating to try to lighten up this little area. It's a high traffic area. So alright, you guys, I'm going to start in this room. Show you guys the after results once I'm done. Thanks for watching. Alright, you guys, finished up with this carpet. Show you guys how these 3 rooms came out. So as you can see, here goes that kids' room. Didn't get all the spots out, but definitely looks way better than it did. Here goes the bedroom. I guess this is the master bedroom. So wasn't able to get those spots out right there. But overall, there was another spot over here I couldn't get out either. So I used everything that I had, but wasn't successful removing those spots. So that's pretty much it, you guys. So wrap this job up. It took a little over 4 hours. So I took an hour and a half outside pressure washing, and the rest of it was cleaning the carpet. So that's pretty much it. Make sure I don't leave anything. So I got everything basically loaded up. So about to get ready to head to the next job. It is around 2 o'clock. So, no, I'm sorry. It's around 12 o'clock. So, see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, can you please subscribe to the YouTube channel? Thank you. Oh, yeah.